Well, hello. Today I got a package in the mail, a linear actuator. I'm going to be using this for the steering mechanism. Unfortunately, it's a little too slow to be used for the hip rotation, but, we'll see where that goes from here. I'll show you the speed so you know what I mean. We connect the negative to the negative, and the positive to the positive. This gets it to go extend outward. So we do that. And there it goes. You can see that it's not very fast, not good for hip rotation, but for steering, it'll probably do. And we gotta swap these around. And it goes right back in. Definitely also not good for powering anything like arms and stuff. Wouldn't be able to throw a very good punch. And it actually has a automatic stop button because I didn't disconnect it when I was doing that. But plan is to get some proper wiring, so I don't have to deal with alligator clips and with those switches that I showed you a couple of videos ago. And I'm going to have to check to see actually how much power consumption is used by this, how much voltage drop I get as this motor and probably the hip rotation motor is going, because this is an old battery. I actually took it out of my car because it wouldn't hold the charge much, while also the car had a faulty voltage regulator on the alternator, which is the doohickey that properly charges your battery. So I'm not sure if this is actually a good battery or not, but it seems to at least charge up over the course of a day or so to a usable voltage. But I have lost my multimeter somewhere in this mess, so to get some proper numbers to it, I'm going to have to find that and, do some tests and some fancy maths and stuff. But here is the start of something hopefully good. So, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.